Today, take a look at Lucas 2-cycle oil. So this is the 2.6 ounce, and you can see this is kind of a small bottle, but that is perfectly fine because that is all you really need. So I'm going to bring this up to 5, and it's kind of hard to see that the ratio is 50 to 1. This side's 40 to 1, this one's 30 to 1, and on this side is 25 to 1. So if you want to put in a lot of oil, you can use this side. So I'm just going to add oil to that 5. So 5 and 5. Now, the reason you want to use 2-cycle oil is because regular oil, like oil that you would put in your car engine that can carbonize, is not designed to be burned. This is designed to be burned. It's designed to be put in with the gas. You only want to use 2-cycle oil. I use this because I know it works very well. Lucas makes great oil. And we have still got plenty of oil left in there. Since this is going to be mixing anyway, I'm going to just take the same funnel and use that for the gas. And you can see there is a tube right here, so as we pour this in, it's going to empty both the gas as well as the oil. So I'm going to close the choke. I'm going to hit the prime button 3 or 4 times. I'm going to give it about a quarter throttle, maybe half throttle.